Okay, a new day, hopefully a new fix, and here I have a TV. That's a Samus LE32D1. So this guy belongs to a friend of mine, so if you want a free fix, became a friend of mine, so don't forget to subscribe and like, of course. I'm not specialist in fixing TVs, so somehow I may say this is my, I think it's the second attempt or something, and be gentle, be kind. I'm trying the best I can so far, and I have a red light there, and the point is that it's responding to the remote. Yeah, if I'm checking with my flashlight the screen, look there, do you see this? Without signal, you got it? So on, it should work. And source, there you go, SCART, PC, and so on, PC, component, HDMI, you can see all this on the screen. This is a very clear LED power, or LED, broken LED, burnt LEDs, and things like this. Well, it's pretty clear what I have to do, so I have to dismantle this guy, check the LED strips, checking for voltages, maybe it's something wrong with the power to LEDs. Like I told you, I never done that before, but we'll try to do that together. Okay, so let's dismantle. And the first thing we should do is to take out this support, legs, yeah. These guys are out. Now we can open up the back of the TV. You see, this is a very nice trick, to have this magnet attached to the screwdriver for a better magnetic grip. It's easier to collect the screws once they are dismantled. We have some wires attached to this, and of course the power cable. Oh yeah, these are the speakers. Okay, you may go. And these are the commands. I can get this board out. I suppose this is the power to the LED. What it's saying there? LED driver. We can measure the LEDs and we can easily understand if that is the problem or the driver. Nothing. Well, that's bad. But it's somehow it's better and easier to fix. What we got here? We got these wires. You see, we have to open the screen, the display itself. How can we do that? We have to take all this metal thing out. Oh yes. We have to be really careful because the LCD, it's connected here on these stripes, you know, so this should stay in place. Absolutely, yes. Okay, we are talking now. Be really gentle. You're risking to break the LCD. Okay. Is there any? No. No screws. Oh, finally. And here we have the LCD. Okay. Pam pam. So, we got the LED right here. Oh man. This is bad. I didn't. That's not my fault. No. The display, it's cracked. Here and here. That was the problem. Okay. End of the story. End of the game here. Well, but as long as I'm here, let me check. Okay, so this is This is really bad. At least we can check the LEDs to see if they are still alive. How can we reach this? How can I take this out, in fact? Like I told you, I never dismantled anything like this before. Maybe. Alright. So we have this plastic bezel. So a new LED panel, it's not really worth it. Okay, there we have the LEDs here. How can we measure this? Can we take this out? We are like cartoons here. Everything gets glued and stick to with tape. This is nuts. Of course, can be set in place later, but so far no panel. So I just want to check the LEDs. This is nuts. Okay, so here we have the LEDs. Let's measure some things here. Nothing and nothing. Okay. How can we get some info about these guys? Yeah. Are you getting out of here? No. Oh, plus minus. Here we go. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Power supply. Oh, no. Of course. This is working. And this one. This one is burnt. Very clear. The single way to do this, let me see if I can apply power to each of these LEDs independently. Let's go to 5 volts. Okay, nothing. It's okay. Let's see these guys. Yeah, this is kaput. There's the one. Here. I believe I can do the trick. And then use the TV with a minimum luminosity or something. So nothing. Interesting, very interesting. So there's the one. Yeah, I think so. Let's have a short. Let's have a strap there. Oh, of course. Look there. This was out. Pam pam. Let's have the white stuff back. Is it ugly? Of course it is. Of course. We need this rubber around the frame to keep in place the LED panel. Oh yeah. Yes, that's the way. You know what's funny? If we look at the panel from this side, from the front side, you can't see that the panel is broke. Everything is perfect. Everything looks so good. But, you know, the broke or the problem, the damage is from the other side. This is really interesting. I didn't know that, but it's looking like this is a fact. So the panel from the front, you see, here is the problem. It's in a perfect shape. Look. Very interesting. So let's have this back in place. Right positioning. Let me have the electronics back in place. Take care with this because it's very possible. You know, this big capacitor there to be charged, or to have some charge in fact. And that really burns. Can't tell you that. Okay. Which of them? This one. The screen connection in place. We can give a try to see if it's worth having all the screws back or not. Power on. Remote. Yeah. No light? How comes? Did I forget about of course, the LEDs. Of course. How stupid. We have the backlight, but unfortunately we don't have the panel. So, I'm sorry, but there's nothing to do. Well, I can still give a try. So here I have my Google dongle. Now, let's see what we got here. Here I have the dangle with network settings and all the other stuffs. I can't use it anyway, so that's it. Yes, people. Well, I don't know how can I call this. Is this a fix? Yeah, it's kind of fix. Because you see, I have the light behind here, and kind of strange. Well, I'm gonna try to see for a panel if it's possible, but this is strange also. You see this area here, and well, that's it. Kind of semi-fix. If you like it, please subscribe, push like button, don't be shy. Please comment. I'm waiting your comments about all this. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.